Hi to all our kabalan out there, especially in San Jose, Tarlac. Let's go right away with a quick tour of Ajoya Capas Duplex Back-to-Back Model Unit. Wow! Attorney Mara Ruiz, Peace World Philippines 2021 Bohol representative, will guide us along this amazing tour.
Hi everyone, and hello to all our viewers. We're currently here at the new clubhouse of Ajoya Capas. And this is just one of the many amenities that we can get to enjoy once we get to see Ajoya Capas. I'd love for you to join me as I show you around my future home, your future neighborhood, Ajoya Capas. Ajoya Capas is a 13-hectare master planned community by AboitizLand, and it's just around progressive cities. You can see it's right beside MacArthur Highway in Talaga Capas. Living here means having open spaces that you and your family can enjoy. Aboitiz was also able to conceptualize a master plan that addresses the concern of lack of access to parks. Did you know that over here, wherever you are in the community, you have at least a 5-minute walk and you already have access to green spaces? Isn't that amazing? Before we get into the details of our model unit, fun fact, did you know that the houses here at Ajoya Capas were designed by multi-awarded architecture firm Buen Salido Architects? The inspiration for the houses are the Filipino bahay na bato. Also, you see these grid design on the front porch. These were inspired by the rice paddies here in Tarlac. So there's a very big open space here. This is very unique to Ajoya properties. We have this open area where you could accommodate your guests, hang out with your family, feed your dog. You can place your chairs, your table, and I can imagine myself early in the morning, maybe drinking coffee, eating breakfast, just enjoying the view. Tapos nagpapahangin lang, parang palamig ka lang. The lot area is 90 square meters and the floor area is 75 square meters. O diba? Ang luwag, talong-talong mga condo sa city. And the best part is that the lot also comes with a parking space. So people, families, or individuals with vehicles don't have to look for parking. Sakit sa ulo yan. Tara, let's check out the house. Of course, we have to start with our fan favorite, the living room. The thing I love most about this area is that not only is it spacious, but it's very bright. Also, Ajoya took into consideration the work-from-home setup that we all seem to be progressing towards. Personally, I've been working from home for almost 2 years, so I would definitely like an environment and a setup that balances work and leisure, like Ajoya. Here we have the kitchen. This is the center of the family's day-to-day living. Imagine, you start your day with your coffee, with your soon espresso machine, and then you set up your breakfast, feed the family, and get on with your day. Now let's go to the bathroom. If the kitchen is one of the favorites in the house, well, the toilet is one of the, if not the most important part of the house. In this unit, we have a sink and a counter. It's best that you make use of this space and you add utilities that are not only decorative, but really functional. And we have here a big mirror, which is really great because it adds depth and makes the space much more large, really. Okay, now let's check out the rooms upstairs. Ta-da! So going up the stairs, we have a landing where you can gain access to this corridor, which connects the 3 rooms up here. Now we have to take note that the second floor layout, when it's handed to you, is an open layout, which gives you the liberty to design your property whichever way you want. But for this model in particular, it comes with 1 master bedroom and 2 bedrooms. Come on, let's check it out. This bedroom is for the little sister, or as I'd like to call her, the fabulous one. So you can design your room whichever way you like. It's bright, it's sunny, and it really motivates you to think of ideas. The space is enough for somebody who is maybe in her growing years or in her teens. Gives her enough space for creativity and for her creative juices to flow. Now let's check out the other rooms. Similar to the room that we just checked out, this one is another regular sized bedroom. Possibly the design could be based on your likes, like athletics. And it's great to add little accents like plants and frames to up the look. Immediately, it's simple but elegant, trust me. And last but not least, we have here the master bedroom. This one is much bigger than the other two rooms. This could be where you could place your queen or king size bed, and you can consider earth tones because they're more relaxing and they're supposedly helpful in revitalizing your senses and to give you momentum in the weeks to come. Finally, we have another toilet area on the second floor. So for easy access to all the 3 bedrooms upstairs. And that concludes our tour of this duplex for a family of 4. Personally, I'd have to say my favorite is the living area. Why? Because it's so spacious and it's strategically located right by the bathroom, right by the dining table, and my personal favorite, the kitchen. So it's perfect for my work from home setup where we always conduct online meetings, and the framing, the brightness, the vibe, it's perfect. The model unit that we have here is the Ajoya Capas side-by-side duplex. The duplex comes in 2 spaces. The first one is the roadside and the second one is the park side. So for the roadside, similar to this one, the porch is facing the road. So you have easier access for pedestrian lanes, walkways, and the road. On the other hand, for the park side, you have more access to green open spaces, so you can breathe vibrant open spaces. They also have these townhouses. Very flexible, diba? Because Ajoya has options for you that suits your needs, your wants, and your lifestyle. And this ends our tour of the model units in Ajoya Capas. That's all for now. This has been Mara. Thank you, everyone. Back to you.
Now that we know the potential on how we can fully maximize our home, let's watch the recent opening of the amenities for Ajoya Capas that happened last month.
Bless this place with His presence and the bounty on all who are you. Ask this through Christ.
By the way, all the lots, house and lots, and Shophouses units are both available through bank and pag-ibig financing. And if you want to have a copy for the detailed computation, kindly direct message me on my Facebook page, link in the description down below. So Kabalen, anong masasabi nyo sa mga house and lot units ng Ajoya Capas? Sa tingin nyo ba, magiging patok ang mga negosyo nyo dito just because of their unique shophouses at located ito along MacArthur Highway? Let me know also if you like this model unit tour by leaving a comment down below. Click the like and subscribe buttons for more content like this. Follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram at Desay Barretto. And if you're interested to invest now in Ajoya Capas or book a visit with this amazing development, just send me a direct message on my Facebook page. See you in my next video, guys. God bless!